there is fault, you can be able to print it without, you understand that? Because from now henceforth, you'll be going to a site, and before you commission it, that's what I'm saying. So it is very, very important to pay electricity here. Now, at this point, our changeover is now receiving supplies. Is that okay? Now, this our ELCB, is it receiving supply? Yes, because it is in on position. Now, our DB, is it receiving supply? Yes, because it is in what? On position. Now, we expect, if all things being equal, that once we turn on this, one of either of this gang, that will be what? Supply to this what? Board. Now, one person should turn it on. Turn one. Wow. As you can see, the writing was done. Now, at this point, you're not going to turn on the second one. You have to off this first. Now, turn on the second one.
Again.
Now, you have ascertained that you have done the right thing. So, the two box will be on now. Turn on this.
Again.
As you can see.